In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forecasting in HubSpot CRM. Understanding the forecasting feature is crucial for leveraging HubSpot's capabilities to predict future sales and manage your pipeline effectively. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set it up and use it efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the trial guide. Start by opening your browser and entering the link provided for the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. Once you've reached the page, you'll be greeted by the HubSpot interface, where you can begin setting up your forecasting tool. It's important to get comfortable with this space since it'll be your base for many future sales activities. Next, direct your attention to the Sales section. Look for the Sales tab, usually prominently displayed within the HubSpot main menu. By clicking on it, you'll open a wealth of tools and resources dedicated to enhancing your sales operations. If you're new to HubSpot, taking a moment to explore the Sales section could be beneficial, as it will help you understand all available features. Following this, click on Forecast. This is crucial as the forecasting tool lies at the heart of sales predictions within HubSpot. By selecting Forecast, you're opening the dashboard that'll display your potential sales performance, providing valuable insights into what's coming down the pipeline. It's like having a crystal ball for your sales efforts, giving you the power to anticipate and strategize effectively. Now, let's move on to clicking on Sales Forecast. Within the Forecast dashboard, you'll see several tools and options, but for now, our focus is on Sales Forecast. Select this option to access the specific area where predictive sales data is showcased. This section is integral, as it helps you to review your sales projections and make informed decisions. Following this choice, you should click on Sales Forecast Default. This setting is typically pre-selected as the main pipeline for forecasting. Accessing this ensures you're analyzing the primary data stream for your sales activities, which is essential when you're drawing up your sales projections for the period ahead. Be sure to review this area meticulously to ensure your data aligns with your strategic goals. Finally, click on Forecast Category. This step allows you to dig deeper into various forecast categories, giving you the flexibility to customize your forecasting preferences. By understanding the different categories, you can better organize your deals based on their likelihood to close. This helps in prioritizing your efforts where they'll make the most impact. Exploring different categories will give you insights into deal stages, helping you allocate your resources smarter. There you have it, the steps to using HubSpot's forecasting feature effectively. By following these actions, you'll be able to anticipate sales trends and adjust your strategies accordingly, ensuring your sales team is always a step ahead. Thanks for joining me today, and happy forecasting with HubSpot.